My name is Judy Evans, and today I'm going to show you how to create a background and a foreground on your stamped card by using the masking technique. A lot of times we take our stamps and we just stamp them straight down. We stamp, let's say, the big pumpkin right in the middle and the small pumpkins off to the side, giving a little bit of white space in between. But for a realistic image, what I would really like to do is have it appear as though the small pumpkins are behind the large pumpkin. So what I'm going to do is use the masking technique using a very simple office supply we all have, and that is a Post-it note. So to start, put my Post-it note down. I'm going to take my basic brown pad and stamp. I'm stamping the image that I want to be in the foreground. In that case, this is the large pumpkin. So I stamp that down on the Post-it note. Next, I would trim that out, which I've already done. So to start my actual piece, I go ahead and stamp my large pumpkin down in the center. Then I cover it up using my Post-it note that I've trimmed out to the exact dimensions. And you want to trim very closely to the image because you want to get in very tightly there. And next, stamp a small pumpkin off to the right. You want to press real firmly because there's a Post-it note sitting between your stamp and your paper. You're not used to having something in between, so you want to press very firmly to make sure you get a nice crisp image. And then stamp another pumpkin off to the left. And when I lift that up, now I've got a background and a foreground. And since I know that I like using this technique with this stamp set, I'm going to go ahead and put this little Post-it note that I've cut out right in the box so that it's there the next time I need it. And that's the masking technique.